Hello, welcome to Otis Place. If you're new to the channel, my name is Otabi. It's good to have you here. If you're already a subscriber, hi, thank you for coming back. So guys, today's video is going to be a very quick one. Today, 16th of April 2023, makes it 4 years since I had my big chop. Guys, I can't believe 4 years have gone by so quickly. So I'm just here to kind of like give you an update on my hair and also do a very quick length check, not a detailed one. I'm not measuring the hair, I'm not measuring it with a tape. I'm just showing you how far the hair has gone, and also just tell you a few things that I've been doing to help me retain the length you are seeing now. My hair has been like this for about a week. I just washed it and put it like this to stretch the hair a bit. So now what I'm going to do is, for me to do the quick length check, I'm going to undo this. I wanted us to do it together. I don't want to do it off camera, so let me quickly do this. For those of you who have already been on the channel for a while, you know that I transitioned. I had my last relaxer in September of 2018 and transitioned for 7 months before having my big chop in April of 2019. I have that video on the channel, so I'm going to link it so that those of you who are new can see where I'm coming from. I actually wanted to put my hair in a protective style, but I remembered I have to do this video, so yeah. My hair is still moisturized. I make sure I moisturize the hair very well before putting it okay. 4 years. Can't believe 4 years have gone by so quickly. Okay, yes, now after 4 years after 4 years, this is what my hair is looking like. Of course, I've had several trims in between. Let's just do this quick. My hair is not very stretched, especially at the roots, but let's just do this. Yeah, I'm not really bothered about doing a detailed length check, but I just wanted to show you after 4 years. I think I should at least show you something. So this is how my hair has grown. Can you see? Okay, below my breast. Then let's see the back. Okay, let me see the back. Okay, this is the back of the hair. I don't know why I'm finding it difficult dragging the back, but yeah, I think this is it. Not exactly waist length, I think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm happy with the way my hair is growing. So I just want to share a few things that I've been doing. If you've been watching my old videos, you know everything I've been doing to my hair. Now, one thing to bear in mind is these are things I do for my hair, and everybody's hair is different, so there might be something else you're doing, and it's not a comprehensive list. I just want to share a few things I know have helped me with my hair growth and length retention, because it's one thing for your hair to grow and it's another thing for you to retain that length. in no particular order. One of the things that has helped me grow my hair is having a consistent hair regimen. Guys, it is very important for you to have a consistent regimen. It is one thing for you to have, you know, a hair regimen or a hair routine, and it's another thing for you to be consistent. If you know that this is what I do every time for my hair, or every week or every other week to my hair, and you just do it once a month or once in every 2 or 3 months, you're not going to see the same results as somebody who does this every week or every other week. So I have a regimen that I follow, and I try as much as possible to be consistent with it. It's not always strict because, you know, life happens, but most of the time I am consistent with my regimen. I shampoo my hair once every 2 weeks. Now there's sometimes few times that it drags to a month. That's when things are out of my control, but for the most part I am consistent with shampooing my hair once every 2 weeks. So when you do this consistently, when you moisturize consistently, when you do what you're supposed to do consistently, you will be able to see results. If your hair is damaged, you might not see results immediately, but as you continue, you will see results. The next thing I'm going to say helped me is pre-pooing my hair. Now hold on. When I started my natural hair journey newly, I pre-pooed my hair a few times, and I just felt, you know what, I'm not seeing benefits like that, so I'll just be shampooing my hair straight up. No need for a pre-poo treatment. But as my hair kept getting longer, I decided to revisit pre-pooing, and I've seen a great difference because as my hair is longer, it is getting harder to manage. But pre-pooing the hair has helped me manage my hair better. And my go-to pre-poo treatment is usually a hot oil treatment. I do some other ones sometimes, but mostly it's a hot oil treatment. And whenever I do a hot oil treatment, I can just tell the difference. My hair retains moisture longer. So pre-pooing my hair has helped me in retaining my length and growing my hair, especially as my hair has gotten longer. The next thing that has helped me with my hair is making sure I clean my scalp properly. As we use products in our hair, products build up on our scalp, on our hair. We need to wash this out. So I make sure I shampoo my hair on every wash day. I'm not somebody who co-washes. I think I've co-washed just a few times. I'm not someone who washes regularly. I use a shampoo. Sometimes I use a sulfate shampoo, sometimes I do not, but I make sure that my hair is properly clean, my scalp is properly cleansed with a shampoo every 2 weeks or on every wash day. I also exfoliate my scalp once in a while. Every month at least I exfoliate my scalp, so I to lift up the dead skin cells and whatever buildup is there. That's also part of cleansing your scalp. I just wanted to add that quickly. I have a video on my homemade scalp exfoliator. I'm going to link it so you can go check it out if you want. Or if you have a store-bought one and you want to use that one, that's fine. You can also use it. So the next tip that has helped me with hair growth is conditioning my hair. Conditioning my hair and deep conditioning my hair. Now, not just the regular conditioner. I found out that now I'm skipping the regular conditioner more often. I just, from shampooing the hair, I go straight most of the time to using my deep conditioner. Now, it could be a protein deep conditioner, it could be a moisture deep conditioner. Whichever one my hair needs at that time, that's what I use. So deep conditioning my hair has really helped me retain length. So the next thing is that after deep conditioning my hair, I moisturize my hair. After washing my hair, I make sure I moisturize my hair immediately. I follow up with moisture. What I do is I really concentrate on the ends of my hair, because the ends of your hair are the oldest part of your hair, and that's where breakage starts from most likely. So you want to make sure you baby the ends. I moisturize it. I apply most of the moisturizer on the ends of the hair because they are really old and I don't want them to just break anyhow. And after moisturizing the hair, I make sure I seal in that moisture. Now this part is important. I've seen some people who tell me, oh, I moisturize my hair, and I'm saying, do you seal the hair? And they're like, what do you mean? Guys, for my hair, I make sure I follow up with either a butter or an oil to seal in that moisture. When I seal in that moisture, I see that I can go longer without moisturizing my hair. If you don't seal in that moisture, it will escape quickly, and you have to be moisturizing very often to make sure your hair retains moisture. Another thing that has helped me is making sure I put my hair in a protective style. Guys, you saw the hair I took down. I washed my hair and I put it, after detangling my hair, I put it in that style for the week. I wasn't really going anywhere, so yeah, I just put it in that style. That's a protective style. I do not leave my hair like this often. No, I don't. I make sure I put my hair in a protective style. Now the protective style could be long term and it could also be short term. I could just twist up my hair and leave it, or I could braid it and leave it, but I make sure my hair is kind of stretched in a protective style so that it doesn't tangle up and start breaking easily. Something else that has helped me retain my length is making sure my hair tools are in order. Guys, oh my goodness, you have to check your combs regularly because those things can damage your hair if you're not careful. Recently, one of the combs I was using, I picked it up when I tried combing my hair after finger detangling, and I noticed there was slight resistance. I carried the comb and looked at it, and I saw that there was a cut. I don't know how that happened. Maybe one of my kids played with it. I don't know. But if I had continued with that, what it just does that your hair will get cut in it. As you pull, it breaks the hair. As you pull, it breaks the hair. Now, what you might say, that well, maybe one or two strands, but if that happens consistently, it is going to be a problem. So I make sure I check my hair tools regularly so that they don't damage my hair. Okay, something that has helped me with my hair growth is that I sleep with a bonnet or a scarf. These days it's scarves throughout, because I noticed that the bonnet was making my hairline quite sore, my edges. So I stopped using that. I use a satin pillowcase, and I also use a satin scarf, a silk scarf in my hair. That has really helped me with length retention, because if I sleep with cotton just absorbs the moisture from your hair, leaving your hair very dry and brittle, and this will cause breakage easily. That has helped me with my length retention. I make sure I don't just sleep like that on a cotton bedsheet. I use a satin pillowcase. I also use a scarf to cover my hair. Something else I want to mention is that I do not treat my hair the same way all year round, because where I live we have different seasons. I know that everybody else, you have different seasons. We have the Harmattan season, which is so dry, which just sucks up moisture from your hair so quickly. So the way I treat my hair during the Harmattan season is not the same way I treat my hair during the rainy season. I've been able to know the ingredients to use in each season that will make my hair really thrive and maximize growth and also help with great length retention. Woo, guys, I feel as if I've talked so much, but yeah, this is not a comprehensive list. I know that many of you have your tips on how you've been able to grow your hair and retain length. So in this 4th anniversary of my natural hair, guys, share your experiences in the comment section. Let me know what you've been doing to retain length, what you've been doing to grow your hair. It will be very helpful. Others can learn from it. I can also learn from it. I'd like to read your comments in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on the bell, select the all option, so that whenever I post videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. Don't forget to share the videos, give the video a thumbs up. You have people who are trying to grow their natural hair, or you have people who are having challenges, send this video to them as an encouragement, because guys, I didn't think it was possible for my hair to thrive so much, but with consistency I've been able to see amazing results. I'm happy with where my hair is at 4 years. Looking forward to still growing the hair and maintaining the length and also the health of my hair. I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.